Makeup lovers, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. Today I'm doing a purple eyeshadow look for summer. There's so many great options for purple eyeshadows. So my favorite came in this palette, the Life's a Festival palette from Too Faced. I think you can still get it on eBay, maybe Amazon. But there's also some really great single eyeshadows that are purple. These are some cool brands that I discovered thanks to Ipsy. This is INMO and Suva. I love the name of this shade. It's called Barbecue. If you just look at the color, it just screams like a picnic color. So pretty. But today, my purple eyeshadow came from NYX. So without any further ado, here is my purple eyeshadow look for summer. Using my NYX Avant Pop palette, that purple shade right there. We're going to put it all over the eyelid with a fluffy brush, sort of blending up, just taking it a bit into the crease of the eye. Then I use the shade Smog from Urban Decay, but any warm brown shade will do with a hint of metallic shimmer, and just work that through the crease all the way through, and then take it out a little bit on the outer edge of the eye. And then make sure to blend with a blending brush so you have a nice transition from the purple into the brown shade. Then I use a matte black eyeshadow as a liner for a less harsh line than a liquid liner. And just run that across your lash line, sort of pressing and stamping it along your natural lash line, then creating just a tiny wing at the end. We just want to define the lash line. Use a light lilac shimmer shade and just run that on the brow bone. Just blending as you go along. Take a frosty white shimmer shadow and pop that right on top of the lilac shade. A champagne colored eyeliner. This one's from Lottie London. Run that in the lower waterline of the eye. Instead of using a black eyeliner, wouldn't really work for a summer look. Then more of the brown eyeshadow, and just lightly run that along the lower lash line, just for a little definition there as well. Grab a waterproof mascara, this one's from Maybelline, and just coat the top and bottom lashes, making sure to wiggle the brush back and forth so you get every tiny little lash. Using an iridescent lilac shadow, this one's from Space Case. Just use your fingertip to run that on the center of the eyelid for an extra pop of color. And then we'll clean things up with a concealer. This is my favorite concealer from Tarte, Shape Tape. Just blend that with your finger. And then use a brush to get into the tight corners under the eyes without messing up your eyeshadow. To contour, I'm using this bronzer shade from Nars. Then just gently run it right above your jawbone. And blend. I'm going to use a liquid highlighter, this one's from Pacifica, and just put a few drops on the top of my cheekbones. Blend that with my finger. And then just a little down the bridge of the nose. I'm going to take a blush. This one's from L'Oreal. It's one of my favorites. And just pop that on the apples of the cheeks. And blend it into the bronzer. And I'm going to use a clear brow setter. This one's from Benefit. And just run that through my brows to keep them all in place. Then I'm going to use a lip gloss from Tarte, just to get a hint of color. Here we have our finished purple eyeshadow look for summer. We are pretty much waterproof and summerproof, so it should all stay in place, not melt off. You can always finish with a setting spray, just for some extra insurance. Enjoyed the video. Check out the blog for more info, and I will see you next time.